Like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up my crypto people, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you one of the best crypto mining sites online called FireFaucet. An amazing site where you can earn free crypto and withdraw it directly to your crypto wallet or to your FaucetPay account. As always, I will explain everything in great detail and I will also show you the payment proof, so let's get started. Okay my dear crypto legends, here we are on the dashboard. So this is how the site looks like. Very simple, very easy to use. Okay guys, trust me when I say that FireFaucet is definitely the most user-friendly crypto mining site, or AutoFaucet, that is currently available online. Okay, you can understand the concept of this site very easy. Just in using it one day you will already understand how this site works. But as always I will explain a little bit to you guys. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let me now start with showing you the different earning options. Okay, so don't forget that first don't forget to grab the daily bonus. This daily bonus you can grab it once every 24 hours. Okay, so to be able to claim it you just need to do this one very simple captcha and that's it. We get these activity points. Okay, so these activity points are or auto claim points. They are the currency of this site. Okay, now that we have grabbed the daily bonus, let me show you next the faucet. So here's the faucet where you can claim these ACP points every 30 minutes. Okay, so that's really nice. Let's claim this. Okay, we have gotten 48 ACP. So on this side they also have PTC ads, classic PTC ads, where you can watch advertisements and earn these auto ACP points. Anyways, what I like about this PTC sites on FireFaucet, they have like two categories of PTC ads. Okay, like they have the standard PTC ads as you can see here on the screen, but they have also made a special category for like flagged adverts. The following advertisements have been flagged by moderators for scam, phishing or suspicious activity. Proceed at your own risk. So they have made like a category for what they say are like scam advertisements. Okay, so I actually really like this. So you can see before you open the PTC they have like a scam alert, you know, scam warning. So they say like I have been talking about these sites, guys, you know, these are the classic investment cloud mining crypto scams. You know, whenever you see a site like that has something like this in the title, double your money in 24 hours, or especially cloud mining sites, these are the most common ones on scams, limited time offers and so on. So all of these are classic crypto scams that you guys need to you know, be careful about. So yeah, some of these tips I will actually read them out now. Why not? So always research before investing any money. So this is a classic one, guys. Okay, be very careful where you are depositing your crypto. So many crypto scam sites. Use strong unique passwords for all accounts. Okay, check URLs carefully before entering credentials. This is also another one of the most common hacks. Like I think it's called phishing, when people have like practically identically the same site as the original one, but they just have like one different letter in the URL. But there's also some really good these scams, I can tell you right away, because some like people use the same letters but from a different alphabet, so it doesn't count. Like it looks practically the same as the original URL. So yeah guys, this is actually a really good tip. Be very careful with these fake URLs. Okay, also verify legitimacy through independent sources. Always, yeah, look from different sources and so on. Okay, so let's actually open this advertisement just to show you how to earn free crypto on PTC. So as you can see, we have this timer on the right side of the screen. Once this counts down, we just need to make a captcha. So let me see just what we have in the background, some kind of a AI bots crypto project. So yeah, guys, you know, this is actually good because I know from experience, from reading different testimonies on Discord, people are still getting scammed, and I don't think that's like a never-ending battle in the world of cryptocurrencies, or in generally in life. You know, there will always be scams, but especially in crypto, there's so many scams. So be careful, guys. Okay. So that's it regarding the PTC ads. Let's go back to the dashboard, and let me show you now the short link category. So here they have different short links, okay. I believe that some of these are common to you, you know for them, if you are a crypto user, CryptoFaucet user. So they have something like earn now, you can do this one 30 times, short Ano, crypto radio, OUO. So this is a really easy short link. Let me just show you how to complete this one. So it just opens this screen, and we click here, get link. So I would recommend you guys to at least claim this easy short link 2 times. These are set every 24 hours, okay, and every time you complete one short link you get a bonus to the next one that you do. Like now you can see that for this one I got 50 ACP, but for the next one already it would be 51 ACP, okay. So nice. There's 73 short links available. That's it regarding the short links. Let's take a look at the surveys. So this is the CPX Research Survey Provider, the best survey provider online. They also have an offer wall, okay. So here are all the offer wall providers. They have also categorized it. Here's the surveys category. They have BitLabs, CPX Research, TRM Reach, Polfish. So basically they have all the best survey providers. Next is the classic offer wall, where you have all different kinds of offers available to earn crypto by playing games on your mobile phones, or okay, they also have time wall. Here you can do unique tasks like following a page on social media or leaving a comment or something like that. Very unique, different tasks, okay. Wall, so this one should be in the videos category, because here also you can watch videos and then earn points for those videos and then convert them later on FireFaucet to their ACP currency, okay. So yeah, they also have lootably. Monlix is a really nice offer wall where you have additional PTCs. So yeah, they have the Bitco tasks offer wall providers. This is a pure PTC offer wall provider. And here we have the videos category, where you have Pixel Point and Loot TV. Same like wall, you can watch videos and then transfer those points to FireFaucet. Okay, so that's it regarding the different earning options. So guys, once you have earned some auto claim points, now it's time to set up the AutoFaucet. So here are the different cryptocurrencies that you can claim. Let me open the wallet, it's a better, yeah, it looks better here. So you can claim Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Cardano, Doge, Litecoin, Dash, Nano, Tron, Monero, Zcash and Digibyte. So just take notice that not most of these, all of these cryptos support direct wallet withdrawal, okay, but as you can see they have also added the FaucetPay payment option for Bitcoin, Ethereum and for Tether. So the minimum withdrawals here are a lot, I mean not a lot lower, but the minimum withdrawal for FaucetPay is $3, and for example BNB direct wallet withdrawal is $4, okay. So yeah, take a look at all these different withdrawal options, because for example if you want to withdraw Bitcoin direct to your wallet, the minimum withdrawal is $10, okay. So yeah, anyways, as I said, once you have earned your auto claim points, then it's time to start the AutoFaucet. Okay guys, before I show you how to set up the AutoFaucet, just let me talk a little bit about the level system on this site. So the activity points besides the auto claim points are basically experience, okay? So there's like a level system on FireFaucet. Depending on the level you will have so much of a bonus to your claims. So as you can see on my next claim, on my next level up, I will have a bonus of 0.078 to my claims. And one thing that you should know that these claiming amounts are fixed in fiat, okay? So that's in US dollars in this case, not in crypto satoshis, okay? So the bonus that you get will be a bonus on like a fixed bonus on your claims in terms of dollars, okay? Not in terms of satoshi. So yeah, I just want to tell you that. Okay guys, so now it's time to start the AutoFaucet. So I personally have been claiming BNB, but let me tell you that you can also convert all of these cryptos with absolutely no fees. So I can convert all of this BNB that I have claimed so far to another crypto. So I will do that in case of USDT to show you the payment proof on FaucetPay. But just before I do that, so this is how the AutoFaucet looks like. So you just need to have this tab opened in your browser, and that's it. You keep claiming crypto to your wallet on this site. So anyways, let me show you the payment proof. So as we can see now in this case, the Bitcoin FaucetPay balance is empty, but the Ethereum and Tether balances are full. So I will be doing I will do an Ethereum withdrawal, but first, before I do that, I will need to convert this BNB that I have mined to Ethereum. So let's do that. So we can do that by clicking here, exchange coins. Okay, so exchange all currencies to USDT. As you can see, no fees. I will get 3.3 USDT. Okay, nice. I wanted Ethereum. I said Ethereum, right? Okay, never mind. Let's exchange to Ethereum again. Exchange currency. Okay, nice. So let's withdraw this to our FaucetPay account. We click FaucetPay micro wallet, and here you put your address from FaucetPay. Okay, I will receive these many Ethereum satoshis. Cool, let's do this. So they cover 100% of the blockchain fees, so there are no fees, guys. What you earn on this site is what you get, okay? That's an amazing thing. Okay. So guys, don't forget the standard tips. Double check your address, transactions are irreversible. So make sure it's the right address. In this case, FaucetPay, I don't have a lot to worry about. I just put the email and that's it. So yeah, let's confirm withdrawal. Okay, your withdrawal request for Ethereum has been successfully created and will be processed soon. So our withdrawal request has been made. We can see it here, $3.3. Your withdrawal request has been created and will be processed soon. So before I show you the payment proof to end the video, let me just say, guys, that this is a really amazing crypto mining site that I would recommend to all of you watching. You can join this site by using the link in the description below. It's very easy to use, free passive income. You can get these auto claim points very easily through different options that I have shown you. So yeah, definitely make sure to join this amazing site. to end this video with, here's the payment proof, my dear crypto people. I have managed to take a screenshot, so the payment has arrived on the same day, not instantly, but some 12 hours after I have started the withdrawal. So that's actually praiseworthy that the payment arrives on the same day. I have thought that it would be somewhere like 3 or 4 days, but yeah. So anyways guys, once more I would like to tell you, to recommend you to join FireFaucet. It really is one of the best free crypto sites online. It's really very easy to understand, to use. They have also direct wallet withdrawals, so yeah. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.